This is Wales's beautiful coastline. But what does this have in common with this? They're all owned by something called the Crown Estate. So I'm going to tell you what it is and why it matters. The Crown Estate owns and manages thousands of acres across the UK. This includes shopping centres, high streets, and even our seabed. And the profit it makes from these assets goes to two different places. Up until recently, 25% went to the royal family, but we don't have time to get into all that right now. We're going to talk about the rest of the money, which goes directly to the UK Treasury. Wales has phenomenal potential in its natural resources. We already export more electricity than we use. But when big green energy projects come to Wales to develop wind farms or to invest in marine power, they don't pay us, they pay the Crown Estate. In 2021, the Crown Estate accepted a £231 million bid to develop a wind farm off the coast of Ynys Môn. This money could go to improving our schools, investing in our NHS, or building more houses. But instead, it's taken from Wales and goes to the UK Treasury. Wales's Crown Estate assets are currently worth £603 million, but they could be worth billions as our wind, wave and tidal sectors grow. The Crown Estate has been devolved to Scotland, and the Scottish people will soon benefit from the £260 million for their offshore wind projects. But despite the enormous potential benefit for Wales, a UK government minister has said that he doesn't understand why there are calls to devolve the Crown Estate to us. It's time for us to wake up and realise that Wales is being robbed. In an independent Wales, we would have full control of our assets. It will be our choice how they are put to use to improve the lives of the people who live in Wales. Os ydych chi'n cytuno, ymunwch â ymgyrch annibyniaeth dros Gymru. Ymunwch â YesCymru.